Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma announced plans to introduce a roster system to fill over 800 vacancies in higher education institutions. In the first phase, a 400 post will be filled, aiming to enhance educational standards across the state. Additionally, QR codes will also be integrated into textbooks to provide students with access to explanatory videos on various subjects. This initiative aims to support students, particularly those without access to tuitions, by supplementing their learning with digital resources to improve educational accessibility and quality, ensuring all students have the tools they need to succeed academically.
Recruitment in the government-aided institutions, be in the People's College, be in the deficit colleges, and all the institutions aided by the government, the roster, district roster, will apply from now on. All the students across the state, especially in the rural, where we don't have a good teachers, where we don't have a tuition opportunity, it will really benefit our students. So we are coming up with the ideas that QR code, the video content that is specific for all the syllabus and every topics, every question paper,